Welcome to Movie Do. Prospecting, treasure searching. We like a bit of gold panning today. I am up the beach. It's a beautiful location, very isolated. I've just come across something really nice on the beach, so I'm going to flip the camera. Can you spot it? Here we go. Ooh, that looks like an absolute beauty. Look at that. So that looks like an OTODUS tooth. Oh no, slightly worn there. Roots intact. We have a cuspid on the side. And it's rolled around a bit. Look at that. Isn't that beauty? It's about 2.5 inches, I'd say. That is quite big from root to tip. Excuse my camera. There you go. An OTODUS obliquus from the Eocene London clay deposit. Around 38 to 52 million years old. Thanks for joining me today. This is Movie Do at the beach. Signing off.